Shanika is a sales clerk. Last week, her sales were $830, $644, $583, $896, and $1,017. And the question asks us to calculate her total sales for that week. Notice that the keyword here is total, so that means that we have to add up all of her sales. And so we're going to say 830, 644, 583, 896, and 1,017. We have to add them all up. And when we add them all up together, we get 3,970. So our total sales for that week is 3,970. Notice here it says that she earns a basic wage of $120 plus 8% commission on weekly sales, on weekly total sales over 1,000. And so what this is saying here is that what she's going to get is she's going to get a basic wage of $120, and based on how much she sells for that week, she's going to get a commission. And so if she sells, whatever she sells over $1,000, so whatever she sells over $1,000, she's going to get an 8% commission on that. But it has to be an 8% commission on whatever she sells over $1,000. So if she sells less than $1,000, then she's not going to get the 8% commission. The 8% commission is only on the things, it's only on the amount that she sells over $1,000. But she always gets a basic wage of $120. Now, calculate her commission. So our goal is to calculate her commission. But remember, her commission is only on whatever she makes after $1,000. And notice that her total sales was 3,970. That was a total weekly sales for that week. But we have to subtract that with 1,000 because we're trying to figure out the amount over 1,000. And so the amount over 1,000 is going to be 2,970. That's how much she made over 1,000. Okay. Now the commission, the 8% commission, is going to be on this amount. It's going to be on the 2,970, not on the 3,970. It's going to be on the 2,970. So in order for us to determine our commission, we have to say 8% of or multiplied by 2,970, which is the amount over 1,000. And so 8% represented as a percent. 8% represented as a fraction is 8 over 100. Is 8 over 100. We multiply that by 2,970 over 1. 8 times 2,970 gives us this number right here, which is 23,760 all over 100. And we're going to divide these two. When we divide these two, we get $237.60, which means that our commission is going to be $237.60. Now, the next question asks us to determine or to calculate her total pay. Remember, she earns a basic wage of $120. And so we have to add her basic wage, right? The $120, that's what she gets, plus the 8% commission, all right? The 8% commission on the weekly total sales over 1,000. And we just determined that her 8% commission was 2,000. Her 8% commission in this case was $237.60. So we have to add them. $120 plus $237.60. And when we add them, we get $357.60. And so that means that our total pay is going to be $357.60. How do we get that? We added her basic wage plus her commission, and that gave us $357.60.